Hey guys, so I'm thinking of like vlogging a few days and like making it into one big vlog and then posting a video like that. I'm gonna see how that works and see if it's even worth uploading. So tonight, because it's already tonight, I'm planning going to my friend's house with friends and just chilling there, probably drink some wine, play some games like we always do. If it's worth vlogging, I'll vlog it. If not, you know, I probably won't post. And action. Pour my wine, please. Thank you, you fine sir.
Philadelphia is moving on. Atlanta's out. Atlanta lost.
I mean, wait, are you eating shrimp taco? No, you're not.
No, I'm eating, what am I eating?
Adobo chicken.
It's chicken. I don't eat shrimp.
Oh, okay, really?
Yeah.
Bon appetit.
We have 3 games out. We have Uno, we have Brawl, and we have
Uno.
20 questions.
Ooh.
But I don't know which one we're playing first.
You know what you have to do? Everyone picks a card. Alright. And then damage and say odd or even, and everyone's gonna read that question, and you have to guess what it is.
Okay. Google. Let's see how it.
So today I'm going fishing, I believe in Key Largo, under one of the bridges. I'm not quite sure. I will check up on that. So let's go. And this is kind of my fishing attire. I'm just wearing a Columbia shirt. Here, let me get you. Columbia, and it's all black. Then I'm just wearing some pink Victoria's Secret type that have like the little dog on it. And then I went ahead and just put on some basic black and white Toms. And yeah, I don't really think this is what people usually fish in, but I am. So it was 53 this morning, but I think it's like down to the 70s already. So, but it's windy and we're gonna be by the water. My pizza, guys, is in the background. So we're all set up here to fish. We're just catching live bait right now, and then we're gonna go to the tiki bar. The poor little guy didn't make it back in the water. No! The sun's starting to go down. So beautiful. And also the temperature is also going down. It is pretty cold now. Let's see what Siri says. Siri, what's the temperature outside?
It's 69 degrees right now.
Right now, but it looks like it's gonna be like this for a little bit. It's not gonna be that cold today. We are still out here, but look at that sunset. We made a little fire to keep ourselves warm. It actually is keeping me warm.
Huh?
Is it keeping you warm?
Yeah.
It's keeping me warm.
I just don't want to get close to it because of the smoke.
Yeah, me too. Good morning, guys. Ooh, am I so loud? No, I wasn't. I'm currently getting ready for my day. I'm going to go do some shopping with my best friend. And then I have to prepare for tomorrow. My other friend, Dami, is going to be using me for a model. She's going to do my makeup, and she's also going to do my hair because it's about that time. So, yeah. That's what I am doing today. I have no makeup on, as you can see. I'm totally red. For those of you who want to see my battle wounds. I don't have acne anymore. Those are just scars, guys. I was a troubled teenager. So I'm just going to pick out my outfits for tomorrow because they're going to film the whole thing. They're going to take pictures of me. And I'm going to do the same. I'm going to film the whole thing. So don't worry, you guys will see that. That will be in another video. So I want to show you my outfit real quick. Okay. I'm wearing this little sweater on top of a tank top because you need a tank top underneath this. And it just says LA. And then it says whatever, Smalley right underneath it. This is from Forever 21. Then the tights that I'm wearing are from American Eagle. They're just regular black tights, which I'm actually need to go tight shopping because I've gained a little weight. Yeah, they're kind of tight. And I'm going ahead with those Toms again because I'm really into the Toms. I've had these for a while. I used to use these when I worked in a salon. And they're super comfy. You don't need to wear socks with them, and your feet don't stink. I don't know. It's the material they're made out of. And I actually put on my Instagram, are Toms even a thing anymore? And everyone voted no. So I was like, that's so mean. So I'm going to tell you what my YouTube is about because I feel like I get that question a lot. Like, I feel like a lot of people just think my YouTube is just going to be me doing makeup. And yes, I'm going to do my makeup right now. You guys are going to kind of see me do my makeup while I'm talking to you about this. And I want to make it very clear that I might have started off my YouTube because I wanted to do some makeup tutorials. But I always knew that I wasn't going to just do makeup tutorials. I feel like my biggest niche that I want to do on my YouTube channel is vlogging. I want to travel and I want to show you guys my day-to-day traveling life. I don't know, like, I'm the kind of person that I really like to watch lifestyle videos and travel videos and makeup tutorial videos. I like to see it all. So I want to give you guys everything that I like to watch because that's what I'm into, you know. I don't necessarily have one niche, and I feel like a lot of YouTubers feel like you need to find your niche. Where I don't feel that way. My channel is going to be what I want it to be about. It's not going to just be one thing. If you want to watch me, you're more than welcome to watch me. If you don't like my channel and what I'm about, then that's okay too. I'm not doing this for money. I'm doing it because I enjoy sitting there and editing videos. And I enjoy talking to a camera. As weird as that sounds, a lot of people are like, Stephanie, how do you talk to a camera? It's easier than talking to a boy. Believe me, they don't talk back, nor do they argue. But yes, I did originally start it because of makeup. A lot of people would ask me, hi Stephanie, like, I love your makeup, like, what did you use? Can you do mine? Blah, 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 which is also another reason why I got into the beauty industry to begin with, because I was good at it. At least some people agree that I'm good at it. Of course, you have your haters that are like, oh my god, you're wearing too much makeup. Yeah, I did start because of that. My mom was my biggest cheerleader when it came to this. She'd always tell me, Stephanie, you know, why don't you start up a channel? I see a bunch of girls doing it, because my mom was so big on YouTube. Like, she really enjoyed watching tutorials and all sorts of stuff. She goes, you know, this YouTuber, totally check them out. So I can say that my mom was the one that got me into YouTube. And little did she know she created a monster, because now I will sit there for hours watching people's videos, and as weird as that sounds, I enjoy it. I enjoy sitting there watching people's life and how they did this and where they went, and that's just me. There's so many different personalities out there, and I feel like my generation, like, we don't really get out there and meet new people. We meet everybody on the internet, which is a problem. And that's where I want to change. I want to start going out. I want to start traveling more. I want to meet new people. I want to meet new cultures. I want to do so much more. Can I just point out that this palette is the most beautiful palette I think I own, and I broke it. I break every palette that I have, and it's horrible. Like, I dented it here. I completely took out a chunk of this one. So yeah, that's my finished face. I'm going to do some shopping with my friend, help him find some interviewing clothes, whatever that is. And yeah, I shall see you in a little bit.
Am I famous now?
No, but you're talking about a YouTuber, so
Okay. Yeah, deer meat for dinner.
safety first.
Yes, I get. Yeah, because if not, that'll happen. Anyway, so he's the outdoorsy kind of guy. He does a lot of spear fishing, normal fishing, hunting. You know, he does this segment called Tasty Tuesdays, where I don't know, it depends on whether he's gone fishing or hunting, how he catches and cleans them and cooks them, you know, and all that stuff. He's done plenty of lobstering videos, which I've seen probably all of them, diving and just like the outdoor stuff. He's been to the Bahamas on his friend's yacht and whatever, and they recorded him, you know, spearfishing in the Bahamas and cooking in the Bahamas and all that stuff. So it's a pretty cool channel.
Is my channel not cool enough yet?
Not yet.
I agree.
So I'm back home. We went to Kohl's. Got myself some McDonald's iced coffee. So good. I feel like I don't have enough iced coffee. I feel like I drink more hot coffee, but I prefer iced coffee. I just don't have enough of it. So now I'm just gonna edit here for a little bit. And then just wait till later tonight. Later tonight, I'm gonna be sleeping over Dami's house. I don't know if I said that already. I'm just gonna sleep over. And then tomorrow I'm going to be used as a model. I'm going to get my hair done, like I already said. So yeah, the rest of my day is pretty boring. I'm just literally going to sit here and edit. And yeah, that's it, guys. So I think this is the end of this vlog that I'm going to do for you guys. I don't want to make it too long. I just wanted to put like little clips together. My next video is going to be, actually I think it's going to be really fun and exciting, because I'm going to be filming the photo shoot that we're going to do for me being a model, and I'm going to also do my hair. So I'm going to film all of that. I don't know if I'm going to be filming me getting pictures taken of me, because I can't hold my camera, but I'm going to see if I can plop it up somewhere and have someone film for me. But I know Christina is going to be filming me, and Dami is going to be filming me, so I don't know if my camera is going to be able to record that. I don't know, guys. But thanks for watching once again. This was just a little vlog that I put together for you guys of a few days. Stay tuned for next week's video. And yeah, guys, don't forget to like, subscribe if you're not subscribed already. Join the Stephanie clan, why not? Have yourself a very good Friday. Bye, guys. Game Paw, thank you. Yeah, people requested to see you on here, so I thought I would just get a quick little video. Meet Juicy, everybody, who hasn't met her already.